Introducing the Riverside Retro 179, the lightweight travel trailer that perfectly combines retro styling with state-of-the-art construction and manufacturing features. The Retro 179 features a welded aluminum frame, vibrant colors, and an overall sleek look. Your trailer will be the talk of the campground thanks to its stylish white wall tires, and your guests will enjoy the outdoor entertainment option of a power awning with outdoor speakers. The front of the trailer sports a diamond plate rock guard behind a power tongue jack, and additional features include a large pass-through storage compartment, outdoor shower, and 4-corner stabilizer jacks. Inside the trailer, you'll be greeted by an old-school design with light hardwood paneling and an attractive booth dinette with retro upholstery flooded with natural lighting. The kitchen is accented by hardwood cabinetry and includes a microwave, cooktop, sink, extendable countertop, and refrigerator. Rock out to your new stereo system from the comfort of your queen bed below reading lights and overhead cabinetry. You'll also enjoy the bathroom with a skylight shower, mirrored medicine cabinet with sink, and step flush toilet. Come tour the Riverside Retro 179 at Curtis Trailers, where our business has been your vacation since 1948.